Weather Extreme video, the morning edition for Wednesday, May 11th. I'm James Spann. Very warm, mostly dry today, and really the chance of showers does exist late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Maybe some thunder, but a lot of places will not see much rain for the next 5 days. Let's go in there and check things out as the day begins. Water vapor satellite view. Better dynamic forcing remaining west and north of the state. You see that new trough coming into the high plains. That was a radar at 5 a.m. Showers and storms well to the north over Tennessee and Kentucky, well to the west over Texas. We're quiet. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s, although Birmingham's 70. Little summer feel to the air this morning, a little muggy. We'll be well up in the 80s today. There's a watch warning map as the day begins. A severe thunderstorm watch for parts of middle and northern Tennessee early this morning. Also one for places like Kansas City and Omaha. And some dense fog problems over Illinois. Severe weather possibilities today. There is an enhanced risk over parts of Texas and Oklahoma. The standard slight risk near Abilene, Texas, up to Des Moines and Peoria. And a marginal risk over to the Atlantic coast, but we're going to be mostly dry today. Tomorrow, a marginal risk from the Rio Grande up to Michigan and over to the Carolinas. In our state, that covers about the northern third of the state, but the overall severe weather possibilities are not overwhelming. We might see a storm with gusty winds, maybe some small hail tomorrow evening in spots around there. Then on day 3, which is Friday, a marginal risk for southeast Alabama up to the Atlantic coast. Look at that. We talked about maybe not much rain at all. Well, that sure enough is the look now coming from the guys at WPC. This is the 5-day rain valid through Monday morning, and basically nothing for central Alabama. The better values to the north and to the west. So let's check it out. Model fans. Here we go. The GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. Trough coming out over the high plains. The surface low is over North Dakota on the Canadian border. Very warm today. We'll expect mid-80s. Could there be a shower? Yes, but I would imagine around here they'll be very, very isolated. Like yesterday, most of you stay dry. Tomorrow, the surface low moves up into Canada, trailing front down through Indianapolis and Tulsa. And again, during the day, there might be a shower, but the better chance would likely be tomorrow evening or tomorrow night. This is 1 a.m. Friday coming off the GFS. But let's check the high-resolution NAM. Again, 1 a.m. Friday. And again, there might be a few strong storms over the Tennessee Valley of far north Alabama. This is where there could be a strong storm. That's in that marginal risk area. But look what happens by 4 a.m. It just kind of fizzles. So Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden just might not see much. And there could very easily be a few spots with not enough rain to measure tomorrow night, very early Friday morning. Then during the day Friday, just beautiful. The sky becoming sunny. Humidity values lower. The high will drop 77 to 80. Saturday, a beautiful day to kick off the weekend. Bright and sunny. We start the day in the 50s. The high will be in the upper 70s. Just really delightful. Sunday, we'll call it partly sunny. Models are trending cooler. The GFS tries to bring the high down to 72. We're not going to do that. We'll probably leave it in the upper 70s, but a very pleasant, nice day. Monday, looks like a surface low is over West Texas with maybe a warm front extending from that. And I guess we might mention a shower, but I think the day will be dry. And this is Tuesday, and now this looks dry. I mean, we're starting to get pretty dry around here. We could use some rain, but this is not very encouraging. Other runs have shown a decent rain event Tuesday, but this one does not. And this is Wednesday of next week, a week from today, May 18th, troughing well to the west. Just maybe we'll see a little better chance of showers and storms. Now, it could be that this axis of rain sets up a little farther to the south, that it does rain a good bit next week. But confidence, I would say, is low in a specific forecast. This is the end of the forecast period. Friday of next week, May 20th, big trough in the west, ridging just to the west of here. And again, that looks pretty dry. You can see the cool down for the weekend. And again, I don't think we see low 90s. These numbers have been running too hot. High should be mostly in the 80s over the next 15 days. But note those cool mornings with lows well down in the 50s on Saturday and Sunday, and that's going to feel pretty good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.